How to troubleshoot website downtime and server errors quickly. Follow the instructions. Check if the website is down globally using online status tools. Ensure your internet connection is stable and not causing the issue. Clear your browser cache and cookies or try using a private browsing window. Verify DNS settings and ensure the domain is active and correctly configured. Inspect server logs for errors and unusual activity. Check server resource usage to ensure it is not overloaded. Test the database connection and resolve any connectivity issues. Restart the server or affected services if necessary to reset connections. Thank you for watching.